Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we'll see how to make a restaurant style sweet corn chicken soup. To start with, in this pan I've taken around 200 grams of boneless chicken. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. Salt and pepper you can add according to your taste. This is what I prefer to add. Then add enough water to cook the chicken. Now just mix all together, then cover and cook until the chicken is well done or soft. Now the chicken is cooked well, so I'm going to take the chicken pieces out of the pan. Here we have the chicken stock. I personally don't prefer to use this stock for my soup, but if you prefer to use the stock, you can use it. Here I have drained the stock out, and in the same pan, I didn't wash this pan by the way. So in the same pan, I'm going to add my chicken pieces back. So using 2 forks, I'm going to shred these chicken pieces to make it small so that I get bite-sized pieces. Now this is good enough for me. To this we will add cream style sweet corn. So you can see this is cream style sweet corn. When you buy sweet corn, make sure to buy this cream style sweet corn. Okay, this is easily available in most of the grocery stores around. Now let's add enough water for the soup. Here total I'm adding almost 1 liter of water. If you're using chicken stock, you can add chicken stock here, then add rest of the water. So now let's mix everything together and let it boil in medium flame for 5 minutes. While that is boiling, we will be ready with some of our next ingredients. For that, here I've taken 1 egg. To that I'm adding a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Then beat this egg properly and keep it aside. Also, we need to make a slurry out of this cornstarch or corn flour. It's also called corn flour. For that, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. To this, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of water and make a slurry. So this cornstarch is also known as corn flour in some places. So this is a thickening agent. We are adding this to thicken our soup. Let's check out our chicken and sweet corn. It's been almost 5 minutes now and it's done. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt to taste. Now let's add our beaten egg a little by little from top. While adding the egg, make sure to stir this continuously like how I'm doing here. Alright, the egg is mixed well. Next we'll add our cornstarch slurry or the corn flour slurry to thicken our soup. Mix everything together just for 30 seconds to a minute. Then off the burner, and now our soup is good to serve. You can serve the soup with your favorite sauces. I have here some tomato ketchup, soy sauce, and some distilled white vinegar. I have added some green chilies to this white vinegar. I like to serve it that way. I'm going to transfer our tasty sweet corn chicken soup to a bowl here. While serving the soup, it's good to add some spring onions on top. This will enhance the flavor of our soup. I encourage everyone to make this soup. The soup is very simple to make and it tastes so good. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back with another great recipe. Until then, you all take care and God bless.